History of the Statue of Liberty. 2. 1. The birth of an idea. 1865. The concept began in 1865 when French historian and political thinker Édouard René de la Boulaye proposed creating a monument to celebrate the centennial of American independence and the shared values of liberty between France and the United States. La Boulaye saw it as a symbol of friendship, but also as an inspiration for democratic ideals, especially important for France, which was struggling with its own political future at the time. The project aimed to strengthen ties between the two nations and remind the world of the fight for freedom. 2. Design and symbolism. The statue's design was entrusted to French sculptor Frédéric-Auguste Bartholdi. Bartholdi envisioned Libertas, the Roman goddess of liberty, as a towering female figure. Key symbolic features: torch enlightenment, lighting the way to freedom. Tablet inscribed with July 4, 1776, marking U.S. independence. Broken chains at her feet, freedom from oppression. Crown with 7 spikes, representing the 7 seas and continents, symbolizing liberty's global reach. 3. Building the statue, 1875-1884. Construction began in 1875 in France. The internal framework was engineered by Alexandre Gustave Eiffel, the same man who later built the Eiffel Tower. The statue's exterior was made of copper, sheets hammered into shape and attached to the iron skeleton. It was built in pieces. Head and torch were completed first and displayed at exhibitions in France and the U.S. to raise funds. 4. The transatlantic journey, 1885. By 1884, the statue was completed in Paris. In June 1885, it was dismantled into 350 pieces, packed in 2 14 crates and shipped aboard the French frigate Isère to New York. The pedestal was constructed in the U.S., funded partly by public donations after a fundraising campaign by newspaper publisher Joseph Pulitzer. 5. Dedication and early years. 1886, early 1900s. The statue was officially dedicated on October 28, 1886, by President Grover Cleveland. Initially, it was a symbol of friendship and liberty, but soon it took on a new role, greeting immigrants arriving through Ellis Island in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. It became a beacon of hope for millions seeking a new life in America. 6. Preservation and restoration. Over decades, the statue weathered storms, pollution, and natural wear. Its copper surface developed the famous green, patina through oxidation, a natural protective layer. Major restoration projects were carried out in 1938, 1984, 1986 for its centennial, and more recently in the 2000s to improve lighting, safety, and access. 7. The statue today. Now a UNESCO World Heritage Site and managed by the U.S. National Park Service, the Statue of Liberty is visited by millions annually. It remains one of the most recognized landmarks in the world and a lasting emblem of freedom, hope, and friendship